So we've got a burger concept here. It's a smashing burger. We're gonna grab each our patty amount.
That's a good amount.
Generous patty.
Yeah.
You want that burger to shine. This is really the most valuable ingredient in the hamburger, right?
I love it.
There's one for you.
Okay.
And I'm gonna grab one as well. So what makes this burger smashing? It's that we're actually taking the ground beef. We're just making a loose ball together in our hands, just a couple quick turns. We can feel that heat coming out of the pan. Just set that down on one side of the pan. Great, there you go.
Hear it.
You got it. Now we're gonna take our spatula, we're gonna call this our smashula.
Yeah.
And then you take that, take one hand and then smash it with the other. Press it right down, give it a nice firm press. Maybe just another one for good luck there. There it is, beautiful. And then we're gonna just leave that to sit. We can see that there's a bit of browning taking place.
Yeah.
When that browning happens, that's when we know we've got that nice sear on one side and that browning color happening. It's gonna be ready to flip it over. Get right under it, beautiful. And flip it.
Oh yeah.
Woo! Perfect.
All right.
You like tomatoes?
I do.
Okay, go for it.
There we go.
Let's have a taste. What do you say, Haley?
Here we go.
Here we go.
Cheers.
Cheers to you.
Burger cheers. That's really good. I've never cooked it that way. I've always done barbecue. Definitely gonna try this.
Mmm.